In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google or Gmail phone number. This is an important skill to have, especially if you've recently changed your phone number and want to make sure all your accounts are up to date. Let's dive right in. First, you want to open your preferred web browser and go to the Google account page. Simply type Google account into your search bar or navigate directly to it through your browser's bookmarks if you have it saved. Once you're on the page, go ahead and log in with your Google account credentials. Remember that this should be the account where you want to update the phone number. If you have multiple accounts, take a moment to ensure you're accessing the correct one. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of your Google account. From here, you'll want to look for the Personal Info section, usually found on the left-hand side menu or as part of the main dashboard options. Click on Personal Info to proceed to the section where you can manage various personal details, including your contact information. In the Personal Info section, scroll down until you spot the Contact Info area. Under this section, you should see an option labeled Phone or Similar. Click on it to view the phone number currently associated with your Google account. This will bring up a new screen listing any phone numbers linked with your account, alongside additional options for editing them. To change your phone number, click on the number you'd like to update. You'll often see a small pencil or an edit icon beside your phone number indicating that you can make changes. Clicking this will prompt a form where you can enter your new phone number. Carefully enter the new number, making sure it's correctly formatted for your region. It's always a good idea to double-check for any mistakes before proceeding. After entering your new number, look for a button to verify the change. This step usually requires Google to send a verification code to the new phone number you just entered. Access your phone to retrieve the code sent via text message and then promptly enter it into the verification field on your screen. This step is crucial as it confirms the number is active and truly yours. Once you've submitted the verification code, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your phone number has been successfully updated. Congratulations, your Google account is now linked to your new phone number. Remember to keep this updated anytime you change your number to ensure seamless account recovery options and important notifications from Google. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've ensured your Google account remains current, effective, and secure. Thank you for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more helpful guides in the future.